Shoplinkz is a social commerce platform where you can organize everything e-commerce in one place and shop with crypto. It's easy to use. Once you've created an account, you can get started by creating your first mall map. Search and add your favorite stores into your mall map and customize how you shop. You can see your entire mall map within seconds, and with the convenience of all of your favorite stores in one place, you can also check out the mall maps from the friends you follow. If you're using a desktop, install the Shoplink bookmarklet from the home page. You can then shoplink products from anywhere on the web. Every time you shoplink a product from a website, that store is automatically added to the Stores section in your profile. Create your first list. Start browsing and shoplinking products by category. You can organize your mall map, shoplink products, lists, and stores in your profile. Browse featured products and see what's trending. Save money by using coupons at your favorite stores. Follow your friends and see their mall maps and shop links. Search for products and stores to quickly find what you're looking for. If you have your own Shopify store, you can create your own Shoplinkz sales channel with Shopify. You can easily import your entire product catalog with a few clicks. Shop with Bitcoin and other crypto using our integrated crypto marketplace. We're constantly curating the hottest real-world products and NFTs. For more information, visit shoplinkz.com and download our iOS app.